Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you easy recipe for making delicious French toast. So let's check the ingredients that you will need. Sliced bread, eggs, milk, sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence, butter, syrup. For today's recipe, I'm using the brioche bread, but you can use any sliced bread that is available. So first we'll start by breaking the eggs. These are 2 large eggs I got. Once the eggs break nicely, I'm going to add 1/4 of milk. It's 1/4 cup of milk. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And 1/4 of cinnamon powder. You can skip the cinnamon powder if you're not a fan of it. Now to this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so our egg mixture is almost ready. To this, we are going to add a pinch of salt. Salt is good in any recipe, no matter if it is a dessert or savory. What salt does it enhances the flavor of other ingredients. So you can add it no problem in any dessert you're making. It will just enhance the flavor of other ingredients that you're adding. Okay, this is done. Now we'll start cooking. Now that our egg mixture is ready, we'll start by dipping the bread slices. Now when you're dipping this, don't leave it in the mixture for too long. Just dip and in the pan. Not too long in the egg mixture, okay? Now let's start dipping our breads. All you do is you dip, turn, use your hands if it is difficult, and that's all. To the pan, I'm going to add butter. Now I will suggest you to use only and only butter and not oil because it won't taste good. Butter always tastes good with the French toast or pancakes. Now you can always reduce the quantity of the butter or the fat that you will use, but if you want your French toast to be crunchy, use good amount of the butter or the fat that you will use. Now that will be good enough, so I'm going to remove this big block. Now we'll start placing our toast in here. Now cook this toast on the medium temperature. Don't keep the temperature too high, then it will just burn it from outside and inside it won't cook. So have patience, slowly cook it. Let's start turning them. This won't be the final turn. We'll turn it couple times, but let's start. Now you can add more butter for the other side. That block that I removed, I added back. Bread will soak up all the butter. That's why I add half of the amount for one side, and when you turn it, add half of the amount. Okay, we will turn it one more time to get that nice crunch and cook it all the way good. These are done. Time to remove them from the heat. As soon as you take this off the heat, start sprinkling your sugar and cinnamon mixture so it will stick it properly. If you wait a little longer, it may not stick to your toast. So you need to do it when it's hot. To make this sugar cinnamon mixture, you need 3 parts of sugar and 1 part of cinnamon. That easy. Now, time to plate it. Simply, I'm just going to lay them like this, very rustic. Let's put some berries over it. You can put bananas or any other fruits that you enjoy. It doesn't have to be berries. Our easy, delicious French toast are ready. I'm going to pour some maple syrup over it and then some whipped cream. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.